In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Instagram Reels remix feature. This is a pretty new feature and it is pretty cool, like the TikTok feature Duet, pretty similar in nature. So to go ahead and remix an Instagram Reels, what you can do is tap on the Reels icon at the bottom in the center. Then you will see all the Reels start to play and you can scroll down through the Reels and that. But there you can see on the right hand side of every single reel, there's the like button. So you can go ahead and like it, then you can comment and then share. But below that, you can see three vertical dots. Tap on those three vertical dots and now a menu will pop up and it says a whole bunch of things. But if you're able to remix a specific reel, you'll see a remix option. So let's just go ahead and try and find one. So let's go to maybe not that one, but this one right here. Tap on those three vertical dots once again. And that one doesn't have it either. So you just need to scroll down, keep tapping those three horizontal dots to make sure that you can go ahead and remix a reel. Okay, so I found one. So if I go ahead and tap on the three vertical dots again, you can see now at the bottom it has that remix this reel option. So if you tap on that, it's going to show this pop up. If you do it for the first time, just tap on OK, and then you can go ahead and record your remix to this reel. Basically, you can do a reaction or any type of video you want on your side of the screen. So if I press the record button, the other reels should start playing, and then you can go ahead and do any sort of reaction or anything like that to the specific video. So that would be how you can use the Instagram Reel remix. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.